All right, what we're going to do right now is learn about edit and fill with content aware. So what I've done here is I've selected the 2 and the 0 on the side of this building in this image. And I'm going to kind of zoom in and show you what I did. I kind of expanded the selection, modified it, and expanded it by like 2 or 3 pixels. So that it goes a little bit beyond just the edges of the yellow. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Edit, Fill, and see this where it says Fill the Contents with? Content Aware is a feature in Photoshop that kind of tries to find out what all the pixels around it, surrounding this area, look like, and tries to take the average between them and fill this with these bricks, I hope. So when I press OK, let's see what it does. It's generating, it's thinking, and boom, it did what it tried to do, which is not too bad. It got the similar colors. It screwed up a little bit around here, and it even was a little too close to the edge over here, so it brought some of those pixels over and dropped them into here. I may have to clone stamp some of these pixels into here, but it did a decent job, enough so that I don't see that 2 anymore, or the 2 and the 0 anymore. It just looks like somebody did a really bad job covering up the previous year's purple, which obviously they did already on the original. So that did a decent job. I feel good about that. The whole point of this is now that I've kind of cleaned up the wall below it, I'm going to now put my image on top. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video, which is using distort and finding the orthogonals, which are your lines of perspective.